supercharged driven at 1.5 crank speed, so it's got a rev range of just under 6,000 revs. Again, we haven't started this class since April last year. Yesterday was the first time. Yeah, we should be good. You go with the give it some drugs. It's got a good shot of fuel into the inlet manifold. Come on, honey. I might come back to it and get Ben to have a run on the Daytona. So the Daytona we've got in front of you is one of the early competition cars. We've had it again for about 25-30 years. We've not actually raced it, but it was a crew barrel car. Big V12. I'm afraid it's got some silencers on it, unlike the standard side pipes which it would race in period. Okay. Perfect.